Welcome back to Mixology 640 in the house. So I'm gonna make my version of it's a delicious cocktail. It's called the Goombay Smash. You should know already Goombay Smash is a nice tropical cocktail originated in Bahamas. Maybe I'm wrong, but that's what I know. Okay, so let's get right into it. Ba-da-dum, bam, bam. Okay, right here, right now, we got our glass right here. We're gonna put some dark rum right now, 1 ounces, just like this inside. It's a nice refreshing one, a nice refreshing one. We got some coconut rum. Tropical. 1 ounces of coconut rum. Inside, we got our white rum. One ounces, exactly what I'm doing. And we got some orange liqueur. We're gonna go and put an ounce of orange liqueur inside just like this. Beautiful one, guys. This one is beautiful, beautiful one. Beautiful one. And we're gonna put an ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice inside, just like this. Then we're gonna get our pineapple, organic pineapple juice, and we're gonna put 3 ounces of pineapple juice inside just like this. Exactly what I'm doing. Man, I'm gonna go right here, right now, get my ice. Woo-hoo-hoo. Then I'm gonna, you know what I'm gonna do now? I'm gonna shake it up. Right here, right now, guys. See that? Nice, refreshing stuff. Get my nice Collins glass right here. I'm just gonna pour it just like this inside. Just like that. I'm gonna go right here, right now, and get my garnish, as you can see. And my straw here. Right here, and there you have it, guys. Nice, refreshing Goombay Smash. I'm out.